If you're struggling with pelvic or pubic pain, it feels like your pelvis is being pulled or ripped apart, we're just gonna go over a quick 5-minute pubic pain relief routine right together. We're gonna start with some simple breathing, which sounds silly. You can do it sitting, you can do it kneeling, laying down, wherever you feel most comfortable, but we're gonna practice breathing the correct way, okay? Which means as you inhale, I want your belly, your rib cage, and your chest to all expand and gently come back to a neutral position, okay? So you're gonna start breathing, inhale, everything expands. You're gonna exhale and just come back to a neutral position. Inhale, feel everything expand. Try to push air down into your pelvis. Exhale, everything comes back to normal. As you inhale, pushing everything down. As you inhale, your pelvic floor is lengthening, and that's what we want. And we want our rib cage and our belly, everything to expand, fill with air. Exhale. And then inhale. Everything fills. Exhale. Just nice, gentle breathing. Now we're gonna work on tightening our core because our pelvis needs stability. I'm gonna do this on my hands and knees. This might be challenging on your hands and knees, in which case you can do it sitting. You wanna make sure your core is tightening and you're hugging baby, okay? So as you exhale, do it together. As you exhale, your belly comes up and tightens. So I will show you my belly as we do this. So inhale, exhale, tighten your core. You want it to tighten all the way at the bottom, all the way up. Inhale and exhale. Hug the baby, tighten your core. Your core can be tight while you're still talking. You want to make sure you're breathing. Inhale, exhale. Tighten that core. Inhale, exhale. Boom, that's it. We're gonna move on to the next one. We're gonna do a little bit of glute strengthening, but just like the breathing on the core you did, we're gonna make sure we do that. So I'm gonna show you and then we'll do it together. As you kneel up, you're gonna exhale, tighten your core, and kneel, okay? And then come right back down. We're gonna do it together. Exhale, hug the baby, stand up, not stand, but half kneel, and then come on back down. Inhale, exhale, tighten, hug your baby, and come back up. You want to support the pelvis as you're lifting up, and then come on back down. Inhale, exhale, hug baby, lift. Okay, gently come back down. Exhale, hug baby, support the pelvis, and lift. Exhale, last one, hug baby, lift. Okay, next we're gonna do very gentle adductor rocks. If these are too hard to do on the ground, I will get up and show you a standing one, but you're gonna put your foot out to the side. You don't want it to be all the way out. You want it to be as close to your body as you can. If you get a stretch here, then don't move again. If you need a little bit more, then you're just gently sitting your butt back. Go ahead and do it with me. One leg out to the side, gently rocking back. If you're having pain on the ground and it is too much, you can do it standing, holding probably onto a counter or a chair or something. Leg out to the side and just sit your butt back until you feel that stretch on your inner thigh, inner groin, okay? Just nice and gentle. I don't want this to be painful. You are not pushing through pain. This is not a no pain, no gain situation. This is trying to relieve your pain and your discomfort. If you are having pain, you need to stop or modify. And if you need to know what you can do instead, send me a message and we can talk about it. But don't push through pain. This is not a no pain, no gain. Last one. Now you're gonna switch and do the other side. You might notice one side is more painful or tighter than the other. That's very common. So just go where you can comfortably, where you feel a gentle stretch, not pain, sharp, stabbing, pulling, or too much. It should be a very gentle stretch. Here we go, other side, leg out, and gently sitting back. Nice and easy. If you can't sit all the way back, that's okay. If you get a stretch with just your leg out to the side, you can just do gentle rocking back and forth just like that. You don't have to sit all the way back. You are meeting your body where it is at. But so often you're told to listen to your body, but your body is in pain and you've been taught to push through it. We are not pushing through pain. I can't repeat that enough. Okay? Just nice and easy. This is a little bit, not necessarily, this is a little bit of the BSR method that I teach within the pain-free pregnancy and postpartum package. So if you are wanting more help or support, that is an option. But I'm really excited to announce, last one, there is a 5-minute Momma Relief Challenge taking place on June 15th. What this is it's 5 minutes a day where you can do little movements like this to help you feel better. So if this was too much or too intense, that's okay. This 5-minute relief challenge is going to slowly guide you into the foundation of the BSR method I was just talking about, so you can feel stronger, more comfortable, and confident in your body through pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. The link for this is down below. Make sure you join, and let's get started and do this together. You'll have support each step of the way, so you won't have to do this on your own. And I'm really excited to walk alongside of you and celebrate you as you commit to just 5 minutes a day for 5 days. That's it. You can do that, and I can't wait for you to join. So click the link down below, 5-minute Momma Relief Challenge, and let's get started.